7, 12, 20, minus 29, 15, 4, minus 20, minus 9, 8, 30. Yap, 38. Oke, good job. 6, 20, 3, minus 20, 50, minus 9, 13, minus 53, 60. 2. Yap, 32. Oke, good job. 15, 4, 20, minus 34, 11, 3, minus 9, 50, 19, minus 59. Yap. 20. Oke, good job. 8, minus 5, 20, 15, minus 35, 6, minus 9, 10, 12, 17. Yap. 39. Oke, betul. 2, 5, 11, minus 8, 21, minus 30, 5, 3, 10, minus 19. Yap. 0. Oke, good job.
¿Estás listo, Santiago?
Sí.
Perfecto. Ahí va la primera. 34 menos 5 menos 12, 57, 4, 75, menos 9, menos 2, menos 6, 93, 2, 80, menos 3, 45, menos 14, 73, 39, 9, menos 10, 6, ya.
456.
Es correcto. Subimos la dificultad. 3, 2, 1, ya. 2 partido 3 entre 8 partido 9 más paréntesis 1 más 5 partido 6. Ya.
31 partido 12.
Correcto. Seguimos. Ahora sí, más complicado. 2 operaciones simultáneas, ¿vale? Vamos allá. 9, 7, menos 7, menos 4, 8, 6, 4, menos 7, 6, 8, 4, 5, 2, 4, menos 1, menos 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, ya.
32, 19.
Eso fue muy sorprendente. Felicidades, pero quiero retarte una última vez. ¿Estás listo?
Sí.
12, 21, 59, 36, 35, 42, 24, 55, 14, 61, 30, 20, 14, 45, 57, 14, 30, 43, 21, 24, ya.
296, 361.
Es correcto. Definitivamente estás listo para tu graduación de Aloha. Felicidades.
Por ahí se va al patio.
Vaya cule más chulo. ¿Te gusta, cariño?
Muchísimo.
Aquí está la biblioteca y hemos dejado lo mejor para el final. Aquí es donde entrenan.
¿Cómo que entrenan?
Las neuronas.
Busca Aloha Mental Arithmetic en tu cole.
On average, it weighs 1 kilo, 360 grams. It contains over 100 billion neurons that hold an incredible potential, a potential of which humans take advantage of only less than 10%. This is our brain, divided into 2 hemispheres, the left and the right. Each side processes reality in a different way. The left side thinks in words, and the right hemisphere thinks in images. Although current educational systems encourage children to concentrate on developing the left hemisphere rather than the right, the hidden potential of the right hemisphere is tremendous. It can be shown that leading thinkers such as Einstein owed their genius to a highly developed right hemisphere of the brain. During the first years of life, neuronal connections that determine the adult brain configuration are developing. These connections, if not stimulated during this very important stage in life, will die forever. In order to encourage the creation of a strong neuron network, the Aloha Mental Arithmetic Program has created a training system aimed specifically for students 5 to 13 years of age. The abacus. The earliest calculating device ever known is the tool used by students in this program. This device consists of a rectangular structure with beads sliding on columns. At first, children learn to solve arithmetic operations by physically using the abacus. Soon after, they're able to visualize the abacus and begin calculating by moving the beads in their mind without physically using the device. In this way, children learn to solve complex arithmetic operations at great speed while they're having fun. To understand how the Aloha Mental Arithmetic Program affects children's mental development, we need to know how the two hemispheres of our brain work. All numerical stimuli received are directly processed in the left hemisphere. Generally, most people who have not developed the right hemisphere will solve any arithmetic operation within the receiving left hemisphere. In contrast, someone whose mind has been trained with the Aloha Mental Arithmetic Program will activate both sides of the brain together to solve the operation. Within seconds, the student will send the numerical information from the left hemisphere to the right hemisphere, where the stimulus will be turned into images. That is, an imaginary image of an abacus will be created to perform the arithmetic operation. The image generated at the end of the operation will return to the left hemisphere, where it will be converted into a numerical language. Each hemisphere is specialized in specific functions. In the left, sequential thinking, listening skills, logical analysis, and language dominate, while the right one is responsible for photographic memory, imagination, creativity, concentration, and spatial orientation, as well as other skills. Many scientific studies have demonstrated the benefits for students who have enhanced their brain development by practicing mental calculation with the use of the abacus. This process enables the stimulation of the right hemisphere's skills, which would otherwise remain dormant. Children following this program will excel not only in mathematics, but in other subject areas because of the improved self-confidence in meeting academic challenges. With the Aloha Mental Arithmetic Program, we can invest in our children's future and watch them enjoy in their learning. If we would develop our dormant potential, how far could we go?
Saya sangat berbahagia mendapati anak saya mengikuti program Aloha, karena dengan Aloha yang dia ikuti, cara perhitungannya sangat bagus dan itu berimpact kepada kehidupan kesehariannya.
Menjadi salah satu bagian dari keluarga Aloha merupakan hal yang sangat membanggakan sebagai orang tua. Aloha merupakan salah satu metode pembelajaran yang membantu anak dalam berhitung cepat, terutama dan menyeimbangkan kekuatan mata dan tangan.
Dulu kami menghitung menggunakan manual tangan. Alhamdulillah dengan Aloha, anak-anak bisa menghitung dengan cepat.
Aloha telah memberikan dampak yang positif bagi anak-anak kami. Selain keterampilan menghitungnya cepat dan akurat, konsentrasi dan memorinya pun meningkat.
Sebelum bergabung di Aloha, anak saya bisa dikatakan kurang konsentrasi dalam melakukan sesuatu hal. Nah, pada saat dia bergabung di Aloha, dia dapat berkonsentrasi terutama dalam berhitung, dalam melakukan sesuatu.
Sekarang dengan sentuhan inovasi yang dihadirkan oleh Aloha ini, Kiana menjadi lebih bersemangat untuk belajar, kemudian dengan dibantu alat yang diberikan, dia lebih menikmati dalam mempelajari.
Yang kemudian kedua, dia percaya dirinya, itu sih yang lebih karena saya lihat dari sebelum-sebelumnya dia pemalu orangnya, dan alhamdulillah setelah bergabung di Aloha dia lebih bisa mengekspresikan perasaannya, dia bisa menghayal.
Saya sarankan kepada pendengar agar bisa mengikuti program ini. Investasi lebih awal tidak menjadi masalah, tetapi kebisaan, kemampuan dari anak-anak kita untuk menjadi generasi penerus masa depan di zamannya nanti, itu yang sangat berarti bagi kita.
Sehingga saya sangat bangga sekali memiliki anak yang menjadi bagian program yang sekeren Aloha International ini.
Untuk para orang tua yang ada di rumah, saya selaku orang tua dari salah satu siswa Aloha sangat amat merekomendasikan Aloha untuk anak-anak ibunda di rumah. Karena selain dapat meningkatkan konsentrasi dan daya ingat, juga dapat membantu Ananda dalam kemampuan ilmu matematikanya, mengerjakan tugas-tugasnya lebih cepat dari teman-temannya yang lain.
Saya betul-betul merasakan manfaatnya sebelum dan sesudah belajar di Aloha ini.
Bravo Aloha, terima kasih untuk Aloha Indonesia dan Aloha Internasional. Bravo.
For years, Aloha has transformed the lives of thousands of children and their families, taking them to places they never imagined. And in 2025, it will be no different. Get ready to travel to the heart of Southeast Asia to celebrate our Aloha Mental Arithmetic International Competition. Cambodia will witness how hundreds of Aloha students from more than 40 countries will strive to perform 70 arithmetic operations in less than 5 minutes. Discover an ancient land filled with unimaginable landscapes and eternal smiles. Let yourself be captivated by the home of Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Immerse yourself in the rich culture of a country shaped by Hinduism and Buddhism, with over 1,000 years of history. Explore landscapes that will take your breath away, from the Mekong River to the islands of Koh Rong and Koh Rong Sam Loem in the Gulf of Thailand. Venture into mountains and jungles that seem frozen in time. Sail across Tonle Sap, the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia, and witness the life of its magical floating villages. And of course, let yourself be enchanted by the majestic capital of Phnom Penh, home to the solemn royal palace and the splendid silver pagoda, where on July 20, 2025, we will come together to dream once more. Dear Aloha family, see you in Cambodia. Register now at your Aloha Center.